just we had a discussion about sir string and what are various methods present inside string, what are various methods present inside the string. Next and after that, how to sir, how you can able to get the characters, how you can able to get the characters from the string. So either by character or by index, like we covered already, right? Sir, next small applications also we discussed yesterday, sir. I hope how many people remembered. I'm not sure. Sir, small applications also. Sir, I have one string is there. One string is there, sir. I want to reverse the content of the string. Suppose if I can provide Durga, if I can provide Durga software solutions. Okay, Durga software. Can you please reverse? Can you please reverse like ERAW? Sir, TFOS, okay, OS software reverser, sir, and then AGRUD. Are you getting like, sir? I want this reverse, complete reverse of the string, sir. This is one example we covered already in the last session. There are multiple ways are there to do the reversal. I remember, right? Almost around 3 ways I covered. 3 ways already I covered, sir. Multiple ways to perform reverse operation, right? Sir, next and after that, I don't want sir, each and every character reversal. Just words should be reversed. Words should be reversed, right? Sir, something like software under then Durga I have to get. Are you getting the order of words only? Are you getting? So internally inside each word, character don't. Sir, last word by default will become first word. Sir, like this, I want this type of reversal. Next and after that, I want same thing only, but my requirement is, sir, within the word it will be reversed, sir. Sir, Durga will become agro. Next and after that, software by default will become, sir, like this one. Are you getting? So this is our first example we covered already. Sir, this one is our second example we discussed already in the last session. Next this is our third example, right? I hope, have you remembered, right? All these 3 things we covered, right? Yes, sir. Have you remembered? Sir, we covered already these 3 things. The people who didn't attend yesterday's session, I mean last session, just please go through our recorded video so that you people can able to get. Sir, not recommended to repeat these examples again. Okay. Sir, now let me go for some more examples I want to talk, sir. Just some more example, just a matter of few minutes, and then happily we can go for next topic, sir. Sir, now my requirement is write a program to print, sir, write a program to print characters at odd position, and even position. Are you getting? Even position for the given string. Sir, I have to provide a string from the keyboard. Sir, from the, can you please provide what characters are there at odd position, what characters are there at even position? This is about my requirement, right? Sir, very simple. Which characters are there at odd, which characters are there at even position, right? Sir, now let me go for sir, here test.py, just test.py, like this I'm taking, sir. Sir, forget about this. I want to read the string from the keyboard. Sir, enter some string. Okay, like, sir, what my requirement is, print characters present at even position. Characters present at even position. Even position means, do you know? Suppose my string is Durga. Can you please tell which characters are there at even position? Hey, please respond. Which characters are there at even position? 0th index, 2nd index, and then 4th index. So even DRA, correct, right? Sir, which characters are there present at odd position? Odd position. UG. Are you getting? UG, something like. So the characters present at 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. These kind of things are nothing but even position characters. Next, the characters present at 1st position, 3rd position, 5th position, 7th position, right? These things are nothing but odd. So I hope it's very clear for our requirement, right? Sir, characters at even position. Characters at even position. Anyone, can you please tell? Anyone, can you please tell what is the way, sir? Very simple, sir. S of, sir, here 0 starts from 0, 0, colon 2 I'm taking, sir. Have you observed, right? Colon 2. Sir, what is the meaning of colon 2? Starts with 0. Starts with 0. Sir, can you please consider total string, but every time increment by 2. Starts from 0 index. Every time can you please increment by 2? Okay? Like characters at even position. Similarly, characters at odd position. Are you getting characters at odd position? Starts from 1 to end of the string. Every time can you please increment by step 2? Okay, like this is a simple slice operator is going to make our life very simple, sir. Do you know in our Java language, in our C language, C++, slice operator is not there, sir. Slice operator is excellent thing whatever there in the Python, man. Okay, sir, now let me execute this code. Okay, here just observe that Durga classes, sir, py test.py. Array, can you please enter some string? Can you please enter some string? Now I'm taking Durga. Sir, have you observed the characters at even position DRA and odd position are U, G. Everyone can able to understand? Yes, man. Are you able to understand? A simple slice operator. Beyond that, nothing, man. Okay, simple slice operator. Nothing there. Sir, now my question is, sir, this one anyone can able to do that. But with this, sir, our programming knowledge not going to be improved, sir. I don't want this one. I don't want this. Sir, now suppose something like, let me cross check one more. Sir, Durga, software, and then solutions are like this I have. Sir, then automatically characters at even position, sir, DRS, FW, and so on, right? UG like, sir, you can provide 1 lakh length string also. These 3 lines of the program by default is going to print all characters at even position, all characters at odd position. No problem at all. Okay, but I don't want to use this bloody slice operator. Okay, sometimes without using slice operator. Again, first way we cover with the slice operator, right? With the slice operator. Okay, now I'm taking second way, sir. I don't want to use slice operator. Regarding without slice operator, how you can able to get, sir? Sir, very simple terminology, sir. How you can able to get without using slice operator, right? Yes, based on the index. Remember this one, based on the index, and by using either while loop you can use, or by using for loop you can able to use, based on your comfort. Okay, like let me use a while loop, because in the given string how many characters are there, I don't know that. I don't know. If you don't know number of iterations in advance, happily we can go for what? While loop, right? Okay, so very simple. I is equal to 0. Regarding I is equal to 0, sir. Okay, just observe that. So now I want to print the characters at even position. The characters at even position, right? Okay, even position. Just very simple, sir. While I is lesser than length of s. Regarding while I is less than length of s. Okay, like now just print of s of I. Regarding s of I. So I value the 0. First it is going to print. First it is going to print, sir. Do you know, sir? S of 0. So what is the first character? What is the first character present at 0th position? And then I value should be incremented by 2. Are you able to understand, right? I is equal to I plus 2. So one the character we should not. Sir, next second character. I mean second index. Next fourth index. Sir, this cycle by default will be continued. Have you observed, right? This cycle by default will be continued until what time, sir? Once I is lesser than length of s. Once I is greater than or equal to length of s, immediately stop. Okay, that's all. Now have a look once. Characters at even position. Okay, like just observe that a bit very carefully, sir. Sir, now I'm taking here Durga. Enter the characters at even position DRA. Regarding the characters at even position DRA. Sir, I don't want this in the three lines. Are you getting? Can you please print all these three in the same line? Can you please print all these characters in the same line? Yes, ma'am. Can you spell out? Can you please print all these characters in the same line? What I have to do, sir? S of I, comma, end is equal to, let me take comma. Are you getting? End is equal to comma, comma. With the comma separation, it is going to print. Are you getting? End is equal to comma, comma separation. We can able to use. Now observe a bit very carefully, sir. Okay. Now I'm taking, observe that here, enter. Now Durga. Are you getting? DRA. Sir, don't worry much about this comma and so on. DRA. Okay, like. Sir, now can you please consider what are various characters present at odd position? Same cinema, sir. Same cinema with a small difference. What is that difference here is? Okay, the characters at odd position. Are you getting right? The characters at odd position. Once again, can you please assign to 1? Sir, after completing this while loop, can you please assign once again to 1? So from 1 to 3, 5 and so on, right? Are you able to understand, right? So 2 times. First time while loop is going to print only even characters, but next time sir is going to print the characters at odd position. Now have a look once. Enter Durga. Okay, like, sir, the characters at even position, DRA. The characters at odd position, use G. Okay, I want this one in the next line. That's why after printing this, let me take one blank line. Are you getting? Let me take one blank line. Okay, if I can take blank line, now, sir, this one is going to come in the next line. Observe that, sir. Okay, sir, enter some string. Durga, enter some string. Now the characters at even position, DRA, characters at odd position, UG. Everyone can able to understand, right? Yes. Sir, happily, if you want, you can able to do even with the for loop also, that you can practice, right? Okay, just simple how to read characters present at even position, present at odd position, right? So this is about the program what we have. Next, one more example I want to talk, sir. One more example I want to do that. Sir, now what is my requirement here is take very special care about this one, sir. This is about my next question, sir. What is my, if I can provide my input is, sir, I'm taking B4A 1 D3 I'm taking. Are getting? This is about my inputs, sir. Some alphabet symbols are there, some digits are there. It is the alphanumeric string. Are getting? It is alphanumeric string. This is. Sir, now my requirement is, observe, I want to get output yes. So first step, separate alphabet symbols under digits. Separate alphabet symbols under digits, right? So you can take any alphabet symbol, any digit. First separate that. So if I separate, what will happen, sir? BAD. Are you getting? BAD alphabet symbol and the digits are 4, 1, 3. Are you getting? BAD 4, 1, 3 like this. But I don't want this one. Are you getting? I don't want this output. Then which output I want is this BAD. Once again should be sorted. Are you getting? After sorting A, B, D. Are you getting? It will become what? A, B, D. Next time after that 4, 1, 3. Again sort 1, 1, 3, 4. Are you getting? This is about my requirement, right? Everyone in a position to understand, right? Yo, can you please tell? Everyone in a position to understand, right? Okay, that's all. This is about what you have to consider, sir. Okay, sir. Now, how you can able to do that? Very simple, sir. You are not required to do much one. Yes, most of the people already solved these things, sir. Okay, it's a very easy thing. Not required to keep much explanation. Just observe that. Very simple. The remaining people also. There are Divya, Vedant Tiwari. Next and after that, all these people already solved this. because I gave the problem statements yesterday session only. Yes, just the remaining people just have a look once. Maybe different approaches are there. Maybe my approach also just observe that. Sir, enter some string. Enter some string. So now I want to divide this string first alphabet symbols, and after that first alphabet symbols, and after that digits. That's why, sir, what I want to do is, sir, S1 meant for collecting alphabet symbols. Are you getting? S1 meant for collecting alphabet symbols. S2 meant for collecting digits, I mean numeric values, right? Next, output meant for do you know, just to get the output string. So all these three variables I'm assigning just a empty string. Okay, empty string. Now what I want to do is, for x in s, for each character in string, if x dot is alpha, sir, if this character is the alpha, sir, if this character is alphabet symbol, what you have to do is, s1 is equal to s1 plus x. Remember that. So if all the alphabet symbol I'm adding to s1, s1, sir. Sir, next, else, sir, s2 is equal to s2 plus x. Remember that. So now we are assuming that we are providing only alphanumeric characters, right? Based on that assumption, I'm writing the code. So if it is alphabet symbol, can you please convert? Can you please consider s1 is equal to s1 plus x? Sir, if it is not alphabet symbol, means if it is a digit, can you please? Now by this time, what will happen is, s1 contain only alphabet symbols, s2 contain only digits. Remember this. Okay, sir, if you want, let me consider print of s1, print of s2, just for our analysis purpose. Beyond that, nothing, sir. Sir, up to this, everyone can able to understand? Ayo, are you able to understand, right? Sir, fifth line, simple. So if, sir, this line, what it's going to do, for every character present inside string, sir, if that character is alphabet symbol, add that alphabet symbol to s1. So I'm using s1 variable, okay, to collect only alphabet symbol. If it is not alphabet symbol, means digit only, sir, add that digit to s2. Are you getting? S1 contain only alphabet symbols, S2 contain only digits, numeric values, right? Now let me consider after this, enter some string. Sir, now A4, sir, next, and after that D, sir, 3, D3, B, just I'm taking B, and then 3, 1 I'm taking, sir. Just to take a bit very special care. Sir, what will happen? What will happen here is, observe that ADB, next, and after that 4431, something like I got, something like I got, sir. Okay, so my requirement is, sir, add all alphabet symbol to s1. Now first string s1 contain all alphabet symbols. Boom. Are you able to understand, right? Why I'm taking that s1 is to hold only alphabet symbol. String of alphabet symbols is s1. Next, s2 is to hold only digits. Remember this one, to hold only digits. Up to this is the clear? Yes, man. Everyone can able to understand, right? Sir, up to this, not required to keep much explanation about this one, sir. Sir, now my requirement is, take a bit very special care. Sir, I don't want to print. This is not my job. For x in sorted of s1. Are you getting? For x in sorted of s1. Sir, can you please sort characters present inside string? Can you please sort? After sorting every character, can you please add to this output variable, right? That's why output is equal to x. Sir, output plus x. Take a bit very special care, sir. So every character present inside sorted of S1 will be added to output. Remember that. Similarly, for every character present in sorted of S2, can you please sort of S2 to the same output? Can you please add? Output is equal to output plus X, like this, right? So now take a bit very special care about this one, sir. So output is equal to output plus X. Oh, in sorted of S1, all alphabet symbols are there. Now alphabet symbols got sorted. Regarding alphabet symbols got sorted. Now every character according to the sorting, can you please add to the output? Every number present here in sorting, can you please add to the output? Now observe that. Now have a look once. Have a look once. Print of what I have to take, sir? Output. Sir, what is the meaning of sorted? What is the meaning of sorted? Some person is asking. What is the meaning of sorted? Sorted means, have you observed? If it is the characters, alphabetical order. First A, next B, next D. Are you getting? Next and after that, if it is the digit, sir, now ascending order. 1, 3, 4. Aditi, are you able to understand? Sir, this one is nothing but alphabet symbols is the sorting. Next 1, 3, 4 is nothing but digits is the sorting. So this is my requirement, right? Okay. Now have a look once. Have a look one. That's all. Now the program got completed, right? So now what I have to do is, let me take sir Z7 A2. Can you please tell what is the output I will get now? Z7 A2. Yes, anyone, can you please tell what the answer? Ray, yes, final output. What is the final output I am going to get, sir? First, alphabet symbol should be separated. If the alphabet symbol separated, Z and A, you have to sort that A, Z. Next, digits 7, 2 is there, 2, 7. Have you observed? Am I going to get corresponding output or not? Can you please observe? Alphabet symbols got sorted, and after that, digits also according to sorting order. So that's all. This is about. Sir, don't need only this one, sir. Now I'm taking here GA, soft. Next one after that 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sir, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next one after that software like this I'm taking, sir. Can you please observe? A. Are you getting right? A. Because 2 times I'm taking A. Next D, E, F, F, G, R, U, and so on. Have you observed? All the things by default got sorted or not? Yes. And after that, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on, perfectly it is sorted. You can provide any strings, sir. Happily, this code by default is going to sort, sir, first characters and then digits. Sir, sorting order of characters followed by like this, right? Clear? Yes, man. Are you able to understand, right? Okay, maybe. So that's all. This is about character by character. Okay. Now here some people may ask, sir, directly why you are taking this one, sir? Why you are taking this much code? Like what I want to take here is either any other alternative way. I have to check. Yes, observe there are multiple ways are there. S1 is S1 is characters. S2 is also characters. Now let me take output is equal to, let me take output is equal to S1 plus S2. I'm adding S1 plus S2. Next and after that, here print off sorted off output. Are you getting? Pramod, sir, according to you, what is the output by default you are going to get? Just observe that. Yeah, sir, D4, A7, like this I'm taking, sir. Have you observed? Now finally, you are going to get which one, sir? String. I mean list. Are you getting? But my requirement is nothing but one string. Okay? Make sure. It is the list, sir. It is the list. Now, my requirement is what? A string. Remember? So, like, anyway, multiple ways are there. Don't worry about that. Sir, I hope everyone can able to understand, right? Sir, this is one way. Like this, you can able to use any kind of things. No problem at all, sir. Can I go to the next level? Okay, that's all. Sir, now if you want, sir, once you got list, then you can convert into the string. Join method is there. Correct, Divya. Join method is there. By using join method, you can able to do that. Are you getting? So there are for the same multiple requirements, multiple ways we can able to do that. This is one way. One way I'm telling. Based on that, you can define alternative ways. If you are going to spend a few minutes, then you can able to tell these are the 3 or 4 possible ways. Okay, like this. Clear? Yes, man. Okay, that's all. Now my requirement is yes. 1 minute, Divya. 1 minute. Yeah, sir. Up to this is the clear for all period. Not required to keep any explanation. Just the people who are having the doubt. Once you are tracking, once you are writing on your own, then you can able to identify multiple doubts. Multiple doubts will be clarified. Don't worry about that. Sir, now my next question. One more, sir. Sir, all these things why I'm telling, do you know, just a coding practice purpose. You people should familiar with the small, chota applications, right? That's about my main intention, man. So compulsory you require to practice because no one is going to ask, sir, in the company, Arey, can you please write an essay about the string concept or otherwise list concept? At the end of the day, you require to write coding on it. That's why better to practice multiple examples, right? Highly recommended. Okay, open the Google. So like you can able to see. Okay, like you can able. Once you are practicing one by one, then automatically you will get much clarity, right? You should be in a position to create the problem. You should be in a position to find the solution also, right? Clear? Up to this is the clear, right? Okay, that's all. Sir, now let me go for a small chota example, right? Sir, 1 minute, just 1 minute, sir. There are still some people are asking some doubt. Matter of 1 minute, sir, please. Sir, now my requirement is Z4, A, and then, sir, 2 I'm taking. Can you please tell what is my expected output, sir? Z4, A2. Sir, my expected output is AZ, next and after that, sir, 24. AZ 24. This is my expected output, sir. 24. This is my expected output. Sir, now what I'm taking is, sir, because of this line, S1, S2, output, all the things are empty, sir. Sir, for each character in S, sir. For each character in S, every character, sir, if X is alpha, if it is the alphabet symbol, can you please add that alphabet symbol to S1? Sir, like, if it is not alphabet symbol, add that one to S2, remember. So, because of this for loop, what will happen is, S1 will become, S1 will become ZA, S1 will become ZA, and S2 will become 4 2, sir. Remember this one. Because of this for loop, what it is doing? Separating alphabet symbols and the digits into 2 separate parts. Next, for every character in sorted of S1. So, sorted of S1 means this S1 sorted AZ. For every character in sorted of S1, can you please add to output, sir? Add to output. Now, my output will become every character according to sorting. I added AZ. This is my output because of this for loop, right? Next, after completing sorted of S1, for each character in sorted of S2. Sir, S2 sorted means 2 4. S2 sorted means what? 2 4. Output is equal to output plus X. Each character into 4 means add to the same output. Okay, print of output is nothing but AZ to 4 is the output by default you are going to get, sir. Okay, still, sir, that's all. Some people are feeling, have you observed that? Some people are feeling like, can you please explain that? Just I took, sir. Sir, based on that, assume that my analysis A, based on alphanumeric characters only. If you want to take special characters and so on, those special characters by default will be ignored. According to this programming logic, if you are taking any special characters, the special characters will be ignored. Remember this one. Are you able to understand? Aditi, are you able to understand? So if you are taking any special character, sir, no, those things are not going to be ignored, because the reason is else part, all the things by default will be added to S2, maybe a chance of problem. That's why assume that our requirement, our input contain only alphanumeric characters. Based on that assumption, I'm taking sir. Next, Vaibhav, why you are taking X? X is a normal variable to hold each character present inside S. Sir, X, to hold that character, some variable must be required. To hold each character, some variable must be required. That variable is nothing but X. Remember that. Okay. Sir, if you want to ignore except alphabet symbols and the digits, then what I have to take? Instead of else, I'm taking, sir, LAF, sir, X dot is a digit. Are you getting? X dot is digit like this. If I can take like this, then automatically what will happen? Only alphabet symbols and the digits will be considered. You can add any other symbol, that symbols by default will be ignored. Remember that? Aditi, can you please cross check? You are asking, sir, Durga, dollar. Next 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 3. Next one after that like this, 9, 8 like. Can you please observe that? Have you observed? This is the only alphabet symbols, only alphabet symbols by default. Alphabet symbols and digit, all the remaining extra characters, special characters by default will be ignored. Okay, that's all, sir. With this, you can able to practice n number of possibilities. Please go through that. Can I go to the next level? Yes, ma'am. Can I go to the next level? Yes. Okay, that's all. Next, if you want, Aditi is asking, if you want special characters also, there are some methods already I explained. Sir, there are some methods already I explained. Sir, in the case of string, just go through those methods and then you can able to do that. Sir, now what is my next example is, take a bit very special case, sir. Sir, like I'm taking, my input is, observe that my input is A4, B3, C2. If I'm taking like this, are you getting? A4, B3, C2. I'm taking like this, right? Sir, what I have to do is, my requirement here is, what I have to do is, sir, output is A. You have to take 4 times. Output is A. Okay. Next, B, we require to take 3 times. B. Next, C, we require to take 2 times. C. That's all. Sorry, are you getting? C2, we require to take C 2 times. This is about my requirement, right? I hope everyone can able to understand, right? Sir, that's all. So don't feel here, just to take a bit very special care about this one, sir. Don't feel compulsory here 4 only, sir, 3 only, like you may take 9 also, then AC should be 9 times. You may take 7 also, then BC should be. Next, it may be Z also. Any character you can take, no problem. Sir, character followed by digit. Now the previous character, you have to take those many number of times. Remember that. Sir, what is the logic we require to follow, sir? Very simple. What is the logic we require to follow, sir? Sir, now, here see this one. The new members also. Sir, now you can able to understand a bit easily, because already we completed one example, right? Second example, same logic by default will be there, sir. Sir, I'm taking enter some string. Output is equal to empty, sir. Empty. I'm not going to take anything. Sir, now my next point is, for each character in yes, sir, for every character, if X dot is alpha. Are you getting? What is this one, sir? X dot is alpha. Sir, it is the alphabet character. Very simple. What you can do? Add that alphabet symbol to the alphabet symbol to the output, sir. Output is equal to output plus X. Okay, well, output plus X. Sir, else, else means, can you please tell? Now the control is coming. If it is not, means compulsory what? Digit only, digit only, right? So assume that a bit very carefully about this one. Suppose I'm taking A4 is there, A4. If it is the alphabet symbol, already added to the output, now my output is A, sir. Else means it is not alphabet symbol, means a digit only. Can you please tell this 4? This 4 means A should come 4 times, but already one time we took. So now I require to take only 3 times. Remember this one. Now I require to take only 3 times we require to take, sir. How you can able to do that? How you can able to do that? Okay, remember, sir, we can't hard code, right? Sir, this character, previous character, let me save with some variable. Previous is equal to x. Sir, add that character to the output and save that character inside previous. Why I'm taking? Because this character I require to repeat this character A4. This character I require to repeat another 3 times. That's why let me save inside previous variable. Okay, else, sir, very simple. So output is equal to sir, output plus. So it is the digit, right? Sir, this x I have to take how many number of times, right? Previous, x is available inside the previous. So this previous character, how many times I have to take? Already one time we took. Now x minus 1 number of times. Remember, don't get confused. Here, see, let me take, sir. Here A4 I'm taking. Observe that, please observe. A4 I'm taking. A4, this is my string, sir. Then what is my expected output is A, like I have to get, sir. A, I have to get. Sir, A4. Sir, for each x in S. Oh, first character A. Sir, is it alphabet symbol or not? Yes, man. Output is equal to output plus x. Output is equal to output plus x. So first time x is nothing but A. Oh, A added to the output. Next, I stored this A inside previous variable. Okay, completed, right? First one completed. Now next one, for the next character 4, is alpha? No, that's why it won't execute. Else is going to come. Output is equal to output A plus previous means A only. How many times I require to take, sir? X minus 1. Currently what is the x of 4? 4 minus 1 means 3. You require to take A 3 times. Then automatically 4 times A by default is going to be covered or not? Yes, everyone can able to understand up to this? Yes, ma'am. Everyone can able to understand up to this? Yes, make sure, sir. So if I can execute this one, then a small problem by default is going to come in the picture, because every character present in the string is always treated as a string type only. That's why this x string we require to convert into int type. Are you getting? Int of x. I hope you people can able to understand. Int of x and this total I'm taking like this. That's all, sir. So just only, if I'm not going to convert like this, can you please observe x minus 1? X minus 1. Immediately, error by default we are going to get, sir. Have you observed? Enter something. A4 I'm taking. Have you observed? Can't multiply. Multiply sequence by non-int of type str. Oh, sir, it is the str. It is going to consider something like str. That's why what I want to do is just the int of x minus 1. Int of x minus 1. Remember this one. Int of x minus 1. Okay, like you have to take. But assume that every character should follow positive number only. Praveen, are you getting right? Every character follow positive number only. If it is a zero, then automatically it is not going to be considered. Next and after that, this programming logic is going to work one digit numbers only. Sir, some people are already start asking, A followed by 100 is there, sir. Then A I require to take 100 times. Anand, then you require to write the code, man. Regarding then we require to change the code according to our requirement, right? Okay. So like, I hope you people can able to understand. Okay, that's all. Assume that here my requirement here is A followed by a single digit. Remember, B followed by a single digit. If it is a zero, then you require to change the code. You require to change the code. Sir, if it is not sir single digit, I want to take 10, sir. You require to change the code. For that, anything you are going to ask, we can able to write the code, man. Nothing is there. Yes, maybe another 3 or 4 lines of the code is going to be increased. That the cases you require to practice. Okay, like that's all, sir. This is about output. Now print that. Can I able to get the same output or not? Output like, sir, can you please observe that? Print output, sir. Observe, enter some string. Okay, enter some string. A4. I'm taking, sir. Then automatically A4 times is coming or not? A4 automatically A4 times is come. Then now my requirement is A, sir, A7, B4, Z3. Like this I'm taking, sir. A7, B4, Z3. Are you getting? A7 times, B4 times, Z3 times is going to come. That's all. Are you getting my? Are you able to understand my requirement, right? Okay, that's all. Next and after that, what you have to do is, suppose my requirement here is, observe, sir, A followed by, sir, maybe a chance of any digit, any sequence of digits. All these digits you require to consider, those many number of times here we require to take. Need not be one digit, sir. Need not be one digit. Those many times I have to take. Next, if it is a zero, sir, if it is a zero, then remove this A also in the output. Like make small changes, then you can able to generate next a bigger level example. Clear, right? Sir, this is if I can take A followed by zero, according to our code, what will happen? According to our code, what will happen? Sir, now observe, output is equal to output plus previous int of x is the 0 minus 1 will become minus 1. Sir, star minus 1 number of times. What will happen? Star minus 1 number of times A is considered, then this total thing is going to be ignored. Remember this one. Then this total thing is going to be ignored. If I can take 0, sir, this total thing is going to be ignored. 0 minus 1, if it is a negative number, what will happen? That based on that you can able to see. Sir, clear? Anand, Rich Cohen, are you able to understand, right? Okay, that's all. Just go through that. Just you can able to do. If it is a negative number, repetition operator of negative, what will happen, sir? It may not perform repetition operation. Repetition operation will work only for positive numbers. Assume that is the logic how it is internally implemented, right? Sir, this is about my one case. Let me go for one more case. Sir, just to take a bit very special case. Sir, now all the remaining people are able to understand my explanation? Please, man. Hello, no response. Are you able to understand the remaining people? Sir, small coding level practice must be required. Very basic level I'm telling, sir. Very basic level. Even you are not getting also. Don't worry, sir. Just whatever I'm typing the code, type in your mission and try to analyze line by line. So once you are analyzing, now you can add some more extra masala for this, so that this one will become a bigger application, man. Okay, all possible combinations we require to consider. Here I consider only one condition. You can consider some more extra conditions. Based on that you can able to write the code. Sir, small application will become bigger application, man. Remember, sir. Now next example, a bit dangerous example I want to tell. A bit dangerous example I'm going to tell. Sir, now observe. My requirement is, sir, I'm taking my input is A4, K3, B2 I'm taking. Are you getting? This is about my requirement. A4, K3, B2. Then my required output is A. next and after that KKK, next and after that BB. Are you able to understand? Arey, what about my requirement? Are you able to understand? Respond, man. Why you are silent? Are you able to understand my requirement? Yeah. Sir, A 4 times, K 3 times, and then B 2 times. Hey, this example already covered, man. Why you are feeling it is? You have to tell already covered this example, right? Okay? Yes. Now, what is our next thing? What is our next thing? We covered already this example. Now, my requirement is, sir, A. After A, what is the fourth character? Anyone, can you please tell? After A, what is the fourth character? B, C, D, E. E is the fourth character. Now, in that place, E will come. Are you getting? K. After K, sir, 3. After K, 3 means, what is the third character? K, L, M, N. L, M, N. N, sir. Good. Next up, B. Alphabet symbol. After B, what is the second character? After B, what is the second character? D, B, C, D. D, sir. Good. Sir, if I can provide this input, now I have to get this output. This is about my requirement, right? Remember, if you can able to do this, then, okay, sir, it's a very easy for you people, right? Clear? Are you able to understand, right? Okay, this is my requirement, right? How you can able to do that? Very simple, sir. There are two methods are there. You have to aware. There are two methods are there. You require to aware. CHR. What is that? CHR. If you pass Unicode value, then automatically the corresponding character we are going to get. Remember that? Sir, first one CHR. You people should aware, sir. Sir, now if I pass CHR of 97. CHR of 97. Can you please tell what the corresponding character? A. Sir, CHR of 100. If I can take what the corresponding character? D, sir. So if you know Unicode value, if you want to get the corresponding character, then automatically, happily we can use which method, sir? CHR. Remember that. Similarly, if you know the character, now I want to get the corresponding Unicode value, then we should go for ORD, ordinal value, ORD. Then you are going to get Unicode value. Remember that. These two methods you people should be aware. Sir, CHR of Unicode, for the given Unicode, how to find corresponding character? CHR function. For the given character, how you can find Unicode value? ORD is the method what we have. By using these two methods, our life by default will become very easy, sir. Remember, sir, can you please tell how to find the Unicode value of given character? What is the method? Respond, man. How you can find Unicode value of given character? Unicode value of given character, ORD. Sir, give the character, then automatically the corresponding Unicode value by default will be get. How to find the sir character for the given Unicode? CHR of Unicode value. That's all, sir. Sir, these are the two methods. If you aware, then our life will become very easy for us, right? So how you can able to do that? Very simple, sir. Very simple. Have a look once. Sir, S is equal to enter some string. S is equal to enter some string. Now yes. Next one after that, output is equal to empty, sir. Empty. Sir, now if x dot is alpha. X dot is alpha. If it is the alphabet symbol, consider in the output. Output is equal to output plus x. Next, store this x value. Store this x value inside some previous variable, sir, x. Next, else, sir, it is not the alphabet symbol. Sir, it's not alphabet symbol. Sir, 1 minute. Compulsory we require to take for every character, right? For each x in S. Okay, if x dot is alpha. X dot is alpha. If it is the alpha, output is equal to output plus x. Store this x value for the future purpose. Inside previous is equal to x. Okay. Next, else, sir, it is not output. It is not alphabet symbol. If it is not alphabet symbol, you have to identify, sir, the digit I will get, that digit corresponding next character. Something like observe that. If I'm taking A3, I'm taking, sir, A3. Sir, first one is the alphabet symbol. Output will become A, sir. Excellent. Next, I saved this A inside previous variable. Okay, well, previous variable inside. Sir, next 3 is coming. Then else part is going to execute. Can you please tell what I have to do, sir? What I have to do? After A, what is the third character? After A, what is the third character? Can I spell out what is the third character? B, C, D. B, C, D, like that. So first find the Unicode value of this. How you can find Unicode value of this character, sir? ORD of X. First find the Unicode value of this character, previous. ORD of previous plus 3. Now I will get, sir, 97 plus 3 is nothing but 100, sir. For this 100, what is the corresponding character? CHR. Okay, I will get CHR. Add this character to the output. That's all, sir. This is what we require to do that. So can you please guide? What is the code we have to take? Sir, new char is equal to, sir, what I'm taking? ID. What is that method? ORD. Sir, what is the method, sir? ORD, ordinary value of previous. Sir, previous character, ordinary value, plus current character. Can you please convert into int? Sir, this total thing is number we are going to get. That's why, sir, convert into CHR. That's all, sir. This is the new character. Write this new character. Output is equal to output plus new CH. Sir, everyone, can you please observe that? You people may feel bored, but you people may feel, sir, what it is like. Don't worry. Just if you are going to analyze, if you are going to practice, then nothing will be there, sir. Okay, like that's all. If I can repeat this operation for every character, can you please print output? Can you please print output? Sir, now take a bit very special care. Now my requirement is here. See this one. See, observe that. Let me go for, sir, A4 I'm taking, sir. This is about my string. Sir, A4. Can you tell what is my expected output? Anyone, can you please tell? A followed by fourth character, B, C, D, E. B, C, D, E. Sir, this is my expected character. E is the output I have to get, sir. Now, sir, for each character in S, first A, add that to the output. So output is equal to A. Sir, store this A inside previous. Okay, previous is nothing but A, sir. Yeah. Next, else, sir, it's completed for the first character. 4 is coming. Now it is not alphabet symbol. Else part is going to execute. Now else part, ORD of previous. What is the previous? Previous is A. What is the ORD value? 97 plus what is the current int value? 4. 97 plus 4 is nothing but 101. Sir, this 101, can you please find the corresponding character? 101 corresponding character is nothing but E, sir. 101 corresponding character is E. Add that E to the output. Output is equal to output plus E. Already A is there. E will become output, sir. Clear? Are you able to understand? Yes, ma'am. We are not required to have any further loops. Here just observe that. Observe very carefully. Sir, let me take A4. Let me take A4. A4. What the answer we are getting? A4 is nothing but AG. Let me take A4 B3. A4 B3. B3 I am taking, sir. What is the output? What is our expected output? Rich Cohen. Can you spell out? What is our expected output? A4 B3. A E B E. Correct, right? After B, C D E. Correct. What is the answer by default? We are going to get A E B E. Are you getting that? A E B E like this. Sir, now my requirement is, sir, A B C. Sir, 9. A B C 9. Next D 7. E. Sir, 5 I am taking, sir. E5 like this. Sir, ABC after C 9th character and so on. Can you please observe that? ABC after C 9th character is L. Okay, like D like this, right? Okay. I hope everyone can able to understand. This is about, yes, man. There are some people are asking the doubt. But how does loop again without any condition? Without any condition? Yes, man. So what is this one? What is this one? For loop. For loop. For every character present in the yes, this loop will be continued. Remember, Rich Cohen. For every character, this loop is going to be continued. Okay, well, because it's the for each loop. Okay. Any other things? Okay, that's all, sir. Try A0B3. A0B3 like. What will happen? You can able to, according to our logic, can you please consider A0B3? Sir, A0B3. Previous is A. Old 97. I mean 97. 97 plus 0. 97 plus 0 means, sir, 0 only. Sir, after A, 0th character. After A, what is the 0th character? Is nothing but A only. Same, according to our logic, our written logic, same character by default will be repeated. Yes, sir, A0, B3. Can you please observe? A, B, A. Are you able to understand? Yes, man. Okay, that's it. Sir, now this is just F143. F143 like this I am taking. Can you please observe that? What will happen, sir? According to our logic, what will happen? Can you please have a look once, sir? Very simple. According to our logic, no, error may not. Observe the tracing. Sir, it is the character. What is that? F added in the output, sir. Okay, F added in the output. Sir, next, I will do that. F added in the output. Just observe that. Here, F143, F added in the output. Next and after that, now previous is nothing but F. Now new character 1. Sir, after F, what is the first character? After F, what is the first character? F first character G. So now the new character will become G, sir. F G. Next and after that, next character is the 4. Next is the 4. Again L spot. So after what is the fourth character? G H I J. Now J will be added. Something like that. Now observe the outputs are F G J I. That is the way how our code is going to work. If you want a different functionality, happily you can able to write the corresponding code, sir. Okay. Make sure compulsory. Okay, you required compulsory. You required to take. Sir, if I'm taking 4A B5, you may get error. Vedante Vari, you may get error. Sir, observe that. Based on requirement, we have to write the code. Remember, based on requirement, we have to write the code. Not based on the code, we have to analyze the things. Remember, so what is your requirement? Yes, my requirement is so and so. Then I can start writing the code. In your output, sir, in your input, how the things will be there. Okay, based on that, I have to write the code. If you are taking wrong input, your expected behavior may not come. because that is not our way, right? Okay, make sure, sir, first all conditions. What is your condition one, sir? For this example, sir, my input conditions are getting right. Input conditions, requirement specification should be very clear. Inputs should be, requirements should be very clear, then only I can start writing the code, sir. You know, right? Okay, like, sir, now A4, sir, the client is going to tell, sir, after every character, there should be some positive number digit. There should be some positive number digit. Now, after the previous character, what is the nth character? That character you have to replace. Sir, I never going to place, I never going to provide directly my string starts with digit. Sir, these kind of things compulsory we have to take. Okay, if we is telling, sir, this is also my requirement, like, then based on that you can write the code. Yes, ma'am. Vedant, are you able to understand? Okay, that's all. Okay, these are various things what you people should aware, sir. Sir, just I'm writing based on some assumptions, man. If you are keep on 50 members keep on asking 50 possible inputs, then automatically my program may not behave, may not meet all your requirements, because I didn't write the code based on your inputs, sir. Sir, I'm giving some input, based on that I'm writing the code. Okay, remember, sir, if you have come up with some new requirement, let me know, I can able to write the code, man. Okay, I hope you people can able to understand. That's all. Do you know software engineering? There are several stages are there, man. First requirements gathering. Requirements gathering. Okay, clear requirements we have to gather from the client. Next, and after that, what is the next one? Requirements analysis. Okay, requirement analysis. After that, we require to design. After that, we require to code. Remember that, okay? Sir, remember coding, and then we are going for testing, and then we are going to release. So requirements should be at the beginning only clear. My requirements are very clear, man, because based on this assumption, I'm writing the code. Okay, like, don't worry about that. Now, can I go to the next level? Testing, bug fixing, then we should go for once again. Bug fixing, once again, coding is going to come in the picture, Praveen. Yeah, remember. Okay, now my next target, sir. Now my next target, very, very important terminology. Make sure this is also important, sir. Please go through that, observe that. Sir, these are some sample examples I'm considering, man. Then happily you can create some more example, and you can write the corresponding code. Okay, now what is my next example is, here I'm taking input is equal to, just observe that inputs. So I want to provide two inputs, right? I'm getting two inputs, sir. Assume S1 is my first input, S2 is my second input, right? What is my first input is, assume that Ravi. Next, and after that, second input is Teja. Like, clear? Sir, what is the first one? Ravi. Second one is Teja, like this, right? Sir, what is my expected output, sir? What is my expected output? Okay, here very simple. Take first character here, merge two things into a single string. Sir, first character from the first one. Next, first character from the second one. Similarly, second character from the first one. Second character from the second. Are you getting it? First I'm taking R, T, and then A, E, and then V, J, and then I, A. Sir, R, T, A, E, V, J, I, A. Okay, that's all. Sir, this is about my requirement, right? How you can able to do that? How you can able to write the code, sir? Very simple. Very simple. What I will take is, sir, enter here S1, enter first string. Enter first string I'm taking S1. Similarly, enter second string. Can you please add the second string, sir? Okay, well, I'm trying to add first one and second one. Next, what I have to take is, sir, observe very, very carefully. This is not that much easy. It is not that much easy example. More concentration must be compulsory required for you people, right? Okay. Next, output is equal to empty. At the beginning, output is equal to empty like this. I'm taking, sir. Next, I, comma, J. is equal to, or I is equal to j is equal to 0, sir. I is equal to j is equal to 0, 0 I'm taking like. Sir, now here I have observed, assume first string, second string. I want to iterate simultaneously because one character from the first one character from the second. That's why you can take either while loop or for loop, any kind of thing, no problem at all. While I is less than length of S1, or j is less than length of S2. Okay, observe that. So if I means index of first character, j means index of second string. I means index of first string, j means index of second string. If I less than length or j less than like this, what I want to take is output is equal to S1 of I. Okay, output is equal to output plus S1 of I plus S1 of j. S1 of j, sir. Next and after that, I is equal to I plus 1, I is equal to I plus 1, j is equal to j plus 1. That's all. Wonderful, man. J is equal to j plus 1. Okay, like I'm taking. So very simple. At last, you can able to print. You can able to print output. Okay, you can able to print the output, sir. That's all. Sir, are you in a position to understand? Anyone? Clear, right? This is the, sir, definitely my requirement by default is going to be filled. My requirement is going to be fulfilled. Yes, observe that. Observe that. Here I'm taking Ravi. Sir, Teja. Am I able to get my output or not? Hooray? Yes, man. Am I able to get my required output or not? Yes. This is the thing. But here one small twist is there. What is the twist is? Legend. Yes. If two strings are different length. Suppose first string is Ravi soft. Second thing is Teja. First one is Ravi soft. Second one is Teja. What I will take? RT, AE, VJ, IA. That's all. Once this one got completed, yes, added. But here no character, right? Then automatically what will happen is, so index out of bounds, sir. Here, index error by default is going to come. Enter first string, Ravi soft. Enter second one, Teja. Can you please observe? Index error, string index out of range. Oh, if two different lengths, then it's not working, sir. Let me consider, sir, Ravi. But second one, sir, Teja soft. Then same index error by default is going to come. Are you able to understand? So what my requirement, sir? If both are having different lengths, what is your requirement, sir? My required output is RT, AE, VJ, and then IA. After that, consider only this part because second one is not there. This is about my required output. Are you getting right? This is about my required output. Sir, for this, yes, perform some small changes in our code. Then our life by default will become very easy, sir. Okay, what is the way is? Observe. If I less than length of first one or j less than, sir, at least one string contain data. Here, if, observe carefully, if I less than length of S1, then only. If I less than like, sir, first one, either first one or second one. Okay, like, sir, once entered, if the first one is lesser only, then output is equal to output plus S1 of I. So if it is a valid index, then only add, and after that I is equal to I plus 1. I is equal to I plus 1, sir. I plus 1. Similarly, if j less than length of S2. J less than length of S2. Sir, J value also less than length of S2. Output is equal to output plus S2 of J, sir. S2 of J. Next one after that, J is equal to J plus 1. Okay, that's all. Here, very simple, sir. If I less than, then only consider that. If J less than, then only consider. If J value greater than or equal to length, oh, don't consider. If I value greater than or equal to length, don't consider. Again, if it is the char, then only. If it is not no character, please ignore. Please ignore like this is. If you can able to do that, then print of output. Observe a bit carefully, sir. Now you can, have you observed, right? Now you can take any length, no problem at all. Sir, observe. Ravi soft. I'm taking Ravi soft. Okay, like yes. Second one, sir, Durga. Second one I'm taking Teja. Like. Can you please observe? Aarti, AV, and so on. At last the soft is going to come. Clear, right? Rich Cohen. Okay. Now have a look once again. Sir, once again. This time Ravi I'm taking, but second one I'm taking Teja soft. Then automatically, like by default, we are going to get. Okay. Now I'm taking Durga software solutions. Second one, sir, just a Ravi. Again, no problem. Happily it is going to work, sir. One character from there, one character from here, one character from there, like it's going to get. If any string is completed, then next time onwards, only first string or remaining string characters only will be added. So these are small thoda examples for the string. Programming wise, you require to get some clarity. That's why I added these things, right? Okay, discussing only programs in the classroom, not recommended, but still I'm explaining what is the reason is you have to get a small logical kind of things also. Sometimes in the interview room, this is my requirement, man, write the code for that. You should have this type of idea. But the people, sir, but the people who are not getting that much are getting. So very simple, sir. Just type each and everything once again by listening this video. Then you can able to understand very easily, man. Clear? Are you able to understand, right? Okay. I hope everyone can able to do. Sir, there are almost, if you want, I can able to explain only 50 programs only on string, but not recommended. I will try to add those practice examples. Those practice examples maybe in our material, right? Okay, that's all, sir. Today, cinema I'm stopping. Okay, good night, sir. Tomorrow we will meet for the continuation part. But anyway, in the string, all these things let me add in the string material. In the last batches I didn't. Let me add all these things in the string material, and then I will share that material for you, including each and everything whatever I covered. Okay, that's all. Next, that patterns examples also. Yes, definitely I will share. Don't worry about that. Okay, that's all. More practice must be required. Open the Google string practice questions, like you can just identify some and then start coding that. Coding must be very important. Theoretically anyway, any number of pages we can able to tell, man. Okay, that's all. Next, the people, new members anyway, just contact our admin. Those people are going to share the materials through Drive. Okay, whatever previous materials are there, all those things and videos will be shared through Drive. Right, sir? Thank you. Good night. Tomorrow we'll meet for the continuation.